So the cosmic microwave background is the leftover heat from the fusion of the very first elements on the periodic table of the elements.
If we can look some fractions of seconds after the Big Bang, when the laws of physics spring into existence and we have the beginnings of the interactions between matter and energy that we see today. Talk to people, tell everybody about what the cosmic background microwave radiation is and why you study that and how that enables us to peer back really to as close to the beginning of time as we can manage.
Each one has a couple of different isotopes, meaning they have more or fewer neutrons in their nuclei. These are just the nuclei of what would eventually become the chemical elements and atoms. These are not atoms, though. We can't say the Big Bang was the beginning of time.